are rolling.
I forgot what I'm making. Okay.
Chicken.
Poppy seed
Poppy
chicken.
seed
Okay.
chicken.
Today's recipe is a twist on an old classic from my very first cookbook, Dining Under the Carolina Moon. I've changed it to make it simpler and make it more of a one-pot dish, and I've also added a little bit of broccoli. So what we're starting with is 5 cups of chicken breast, which I have cooked and shredded by hand. I like the texture. You can cube it. It's completely up to you. To that, I'm going to add 1 4-ounce can of mushroom stems and pieces drained, and then about a cup of steamed broccoli florets. So add a little color and a little bit of a vegetable to your dish. And then I have a 2-ounce jar of diced pimentos that I've drained that I'm going to add as well. So the rest of the dish is very easy. It's 1 can of cream of chicken soup, the original recipe calls for cooking some mushrooms in a little butter, but I think using the canned mushrooms is a nice step saver and it keeps one other pan from being dirty. And we're adding 1 cup of sour cream. Let me get all that sour cream in there. There we go. And then I just want to mix all of this together until it is thoroughly combined. You don't need to add any salt or pepper. There's going to be some butter in the top and the topping, and that will be plenty of salt mixed with the cracker crumb crust. So we want to get all of this mixed in. So that you can see that it's all combined and you don't see the difference between the sour cream and the cream of mushroom soup. Now all we need to do is spray a 2-quart baking dish with cooking spray very lightly. And then I'm going to turn this mixture into the dish. So now for the topping. This is the easiest way to do it. I have a zip top baggie, and I'm going to use 1½ sleeves of buttery flavored crackers. These are Townhouse. You can also use Ritz. Sizeflation has made the original recipe a little different. I think the cracker sizes are smaller, so we want to increase the amount of crackers for the crust. So I have 1½ sleeves, and I'm just going to crush them in the bag. Okay, that looks pretty good. To that, I'm going to add 1 stick of melted salted butter and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Let's get these all mixed up. Make sure that you get the butter on all of the crackers. You can feel it in the bag. Okay. Just going to dump these on top. And I use my spatula and spread the crumbs evenly on top. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake this uncovered for 30 to 40 minutes until the top is crispy. The poppy seed chicken casserole is out of the oven, and you can see that the top is crispy and buttery, and I'm going to dig in and have a little taste. It's hot and it's creamy, and you can see the little flecks of the broccoli and the pimentos. This is one of my favorite dishes. It's a wonderful comfort food, and it's great for a quick meal on a cold December night. Delicious. And hot. All we need is a glass of wine to go with it, and a salad. Enjoy. Merry Christmas.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.